Hey guys, welcome back to part 3. Before I get into this video, can you quickly go down and check in the description. I've put in a link for our Discord server. Go in there, you can chat to me if you want and whatnot. Probably won't want it, but I set it up because why not. So in today's episode, we're kind of working on the next part of our wooden roller coaster here. So far this coaster's kind of featured really high speeds, high bank turns, and obviously the main feature, the 90 degrees drop. So far we've got the 90 degrees drop coming down, goes into a big banked Airtime hill, comes all the way around a big kind of over bank, under a tunnel under the supports, and then into the section that we're going in now. So off camera before, well, it was in the stream if any of you watched it, because I did have a few folk watching it, what was good to see. On the stream, right at the start, I did go and tweak starting the kind of start of the coaster, and I probably will go back and do it again in the near future, as I don't know, some of it's a bit wonky. I don't really like it that much, but it will do for now until I go back to it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the now. We kind of get into this Airtime hill. And I was actually planning to do a few Airtime hills, but as soon as I seen the opportunity to kind of bank it a bit here, you'll see when I stop talking what I mean. I kind of do have 2 Airtime hills here, but they still do kind of bank and weave about. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you're enjoying the series so far as well. I'm going to put in a poll for what game I should play next, and it's up to you guys to vote. So I'll leave it at that. I'll just do whatever makes you happy, and hopefully it works out that way. So yeah, see you guys.
The one my heart has gone to mean I want to wait. Eco tap. Eco tick. Eco tap. Eco tick. Eco tap. Eco tick. Eco tap. This Eco, he's a cuckoo in my car.
Bring it back.
It's made with bits of real panther, so you know it's good.
It's quite pungent.
Oh, yeah.
It stings the nostrils. In a good way.
Yeah.
Brian, I'm gonna be honest with you, that smells like pure gasoline.
60% of the time, it works. Every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. Colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands.